Hey everyone, Vova here. Thank you for dropping by, guys. So you've probably seen like pretty big ass numbers being posted on Facebook recently during this Q4, and that's indeed inspiring and motivating. But how people do that? Lighting deals. So today I'm going to show you how I sold over 1,000 units in a lighting deal and the exact steps you can follow to maximize your lighting deal potential. So what is a lighting deal? Guys, lighting deals are 6-hour deals that are posted on Amazon's deals page for this limited amount of time. And during that time, you also get this nice limited time deal badge, and your price goes down, like it's discounted. So what does that mean for you? That means potentially you're exposed to a lot of traffic, your CTR, like click-through rate, goes up because you have this nice badge, and your price is lower. So that means you potentially can get a lot of sales during these 6 hours. Now the price is between $150 to $750, while $150 is for a normal day deal, and $750 is for maybe Black Friday or Cyber Monday, and $300 for holiday weeks like week 1, 2, or 3. That's $300. Now about the time of the deal, Amazon decides, and you can get the deal at say 5 p.m. until 11 p.m., which would be amazing because that's a time when there's a lot of traffic on Amazon. Or you might get it in maybe 1 a.m. until 7 a.m., which is probably not going to yield that good results because there's not much traffic. Now guys, Amazon decides about the price. Say you can't really choose the price. You can choose the maximum price that Amazon lets you and the minimum amount of units you can submit per deal. So say your product sells for 20 bucks, Amazon might say like, all right, so $12 is your maximum price, and the minimum amount of units is 50 units, right? So guys, let me show you it in better details on my computer right now. Hey guys, welcome to my computer. So we're now on the Lighting Deals help page of the Seller Central, and I'm not gonna go through everything here, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Basically, it's just like how to make your products eligible for lighting deals, how to create them, just like small technical stuff that I'm sure you can do by yourself. And the link is in the description down below. So, but let's go to Amazon.com, and I'm going to show you how a lighting deal looks like. So we're on Amazon now, and you can click this shop 12 days of deals to get to the deals page. There are a lot of deals now, guys, like running from, toys to home and garden, whatever, home and kitchen. But guys, here we can actually shop by categories. So if you want to see the deals in home, you click on home, or if you want to see the video games deals, you click on video games. But here, that's the main page of all the deals on Amazon, right? And how do you spot a lighting deal? It's quite easy. The lighting deal has a bar, so to say this bar, right? This bar right here. So let's take this pestle and mortar, right? We have the main image here. We have the price. We have the cost price for this deal. We have the bar here. And what does this bar mean? 27% claim. That means out of all the items this guy put for sale, 27% were claimed. That means if he put 100 units for sale, that means like 27 units were sold. And we have only 10 minutes for this deal, guys. And that's scarcity because you want to get it before it ends, right? So you click add to cart, and you have 15 minutes to check out to grab this deal. So even if there's a minute left or 2 seconds left to this deal and you click add to cart, you still have 15 minutes to check out. So that's really nice for the seller. Now imagine you were there, right? So now I'm going to show you like my results, and after the results I'm going to deep dive into the technical stuff of how to actually run a successful lighting deal. Guys, you can see my results here on the 1st of November 2017. Now, before I continue with all the technical stuff and explaining these numbers, look guys, on this day, actually I was just working a normal working shift as a lifeguard in my town pool, right? I think it was like from 3 p.m. until 11 p.m. I had this short kind of shift, and I think I was copywriting. We were launching products, and I was like copywriting for new products. And before running this deal, we launched our product. We sort of relaunched it with viral launch. So we used like 700 coupons on 3 different keywords to rank them up. and it was pretty successful. We have gotten to page 1 on each of these, and we had a letting deal. Now I'm gonna explain later on why that was good, but this deal went crazy, guys. So I was sitting there and on my shift, speaking with people and copywriting and stuff like that, and suddenly I look at my fetcher and I see, like, what the hell, like, so many sales. Like, sales, as you can see here on the PC now on the screen, sales started coming in really fast, right? Each hour was pretty crazy, right? Now, how did this happen, okay, and why? Well, basically, we're ranked pretty well on keywords, but this I'm going to explain to you more in depth in the last part of this video. But for these 1,000 units that were ordered, we actually profited $2,586. Why so? You can see that the sales were 15,000. Promo rebates, the promo rebates of this deal were minus $5,000, and refunds were $95. After all the costs, the profit was 2.5K bucks in one day, which was really amazing. That was really a day to remember, so to say. 2nd of December, we have another deal, same tactic, everything the same. We were selling pretty well, and yeah, the deal went pretty nice, as you can see here. And in the fetcher, you can see same thing. Like, this is the sales, 12,845, 12,845, and costs, PPC a little bit, or fees, cost of goods, profit 2.8K bucks, margin 29%. So yeah, guys, letting deals. So guys, these were my results and some basic information, and now let me show you exactly which steps to take in order to maximize your deal. Hey guys, so the exact tactics for making a good letting deal. That's quite exciting because I've never shared this before, but I do hope you find this valuable. So look guys, with every letting deal, your goal is to keep your bar, this claimed bar, I'm gonna call it the claimed bar, almost full, okay? What does that mean? That means it should be like 95% claimed all the time for you. What does that mean? Say we're gonna submit a deal now, so we have a deal for this product I have. We're gonna choose a date. You have the maximum deal price, leave it $11.65, right? But here's the interesting thing: minimum deal quantity should be on the minimum, okay? 43 units, all right? So what does that mean? Once your deal is live, you're gonna have it on 0%, right? And in order to fill this to 100%, you only need 43 sales, right? So each sale is going to yield you about 2%, right? But if you were to put 500 pieces as the beginning sort of amount, right, it would take you much more to gain a percentage of it, right? If it was 100, each sale would be 1%, right? And we have 43 units as the maximum amount, so each sale is 2% of this bar. Now, how do you get those initial sales? So what's gonna happen is you're gonna have a Prime Early Access deal here. So that means for Prime members, there's like 30 minutes extra timing for this deal. So basically it runs 6 hours usually, plus 30 minutes for the Prime members, right? Now your idea is to get it to 90 something as fast as you can. What does that mean? First, obviously, you have to have an optimized listing that's gonna convert. That's like, the basics of Amazon, right? But say you have a converting listing, where do you get this initial traffic? Well, organic plus PPC traffic is gonna help you because you're gonna be showing as a limited time deal with this badge, right? And organically, you're gonna get sales that will boost this bar of yours. Also, you can use external traffic. Now, if you know that your deal is upcoming, say tomorrow in 10 p.m. PST, you get some Facebook groups, right, that will post your deal. You kind of agree with them before, exactly in this time. That means once the deal is live, it is getting posted on Facebook and on Instagram, Pinterest, wherever you want, and you drive this initial traffic, right? So guys, what you want to do is during your deal, you want to monitor it so this bar stays on the highest percentage, like 90 plus is really good spot to be, because that scarcity. It seems like, all right, 90% was claimed. I don't want to lose this deal. I don't want to miss out. And what you're going to see that when this timer gets to 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, you're going to have crazy sales as long as your bar is also sort of reaching the top, reaching the 100%. And that's pretty much the tactic, guys. Maybe that sounds like something pretty simple, but as I know many people that I've spoken to recently, some big sellers, they were not even aware of that. Like they would pump like a lot of units for their sale, which would sometimes work well because they have crazy organic so to say sales and stuff like that. But you get to monitor it. If you monitor it and sit for the 6 hours and you're playing with adding units all the time, so you can sort of, you started from 43 units, you add 10 units, and that means your percentage is gonna jump from 95 to 85, and then it's gonna get filled again, you change it again, and you sort of play with it. Now, sometimes it's not gonna update that well, and it's gonna reach 100%. That doesn't mean that your deal is ending. It's just gonna show as 100% for now, like it's sort of full for now, but it's still gonna tick. And now you want to get these sales because you want to get ranked organically higher on Amazon. So to say, you want to get to this deal page, number one deals page, to the top, right? So this tumbler here, he got to the top, right? Of all Amazon, like if you go to home, let's go to home, and we're gonna see this tumbler here, right? And he reached the top of home, right? As you can see here, he's obviously not in computer accessories, as you can see. But you want to reach the highest ranking here. How you do that? Again, with driving traffic, showing Amazon that your deal is relevant, that it's bringing in traffic, and the scarcity tactic, guys. This just literally works amazingly, right? Yep. So that's pretty much the stuff, the technical stuff about landing deals. Yeah, guys. So that's pretty much all I know about landing deals. I do hope you find this information valuable, and that your next landing deal is gonna bring you tons of money. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like that, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.